This is one of the best videos I've seen all month in FPV, and believe it or not, there is not even a single drone in it. And I can't believe I'm talking about this in such a positive way. What this is, we are talking about the Drone Camps RC or Joshua Bardwell, and also Bot Grinder and some of the drama that happened recently. If you've been out of the loop, essentially, long story short, Bot Grinder made an awesome video about influencers ruining the hobby. Justin Davis or Drone Camps got a little bit upset about some of the things in that video. He did some crazy yays, and then it went back, and Bot Grinder, said, hey, look, this is what's happening. Bardwell got involved, and the emails were shared. Basically, it just wasn't a good time for the hobby, and it was a bit of a mudslinging shit show contest that I even made a video about it, just kind of saying, hey, people, we should maybe chill out here. Let's focus on some positive mental health energy and, stop some name calling. However, I have to say a huge shout out to Drone Camps RC in this one, because he has admitted publicly that he did make a mistake. He released a video and an apology for it. He apologized to Bardwell. He apologized to Bot Grinder, and that is absolutely a thumbs up for me.
I'm apologizing to Bot Grinder, personally, to you. I am sorry for the way I reacted to your video. Joshua Bardwell as well. And I said some terrible things about Bot Grinder. I said some terrible things about Joshua Bardwell, and I do apologize about my behavior.
It doesn't matter whether you're a large creator, a tiny little creator making FB videos, or just a general human being. You should always, I guess, apologize for your mistakes and own up to things that you've done. And I got to say, hats off to him, because I think that is exactly what you need to do and what this hobby needs to do. Instead of the name calling and those sorts of things, just coming together, sharing our love, our passion of FPV. I know it's what Bardwell loves. It's what it's what we all do this for, is because we love this hobby so much. And just having that positivity is so much better for our mental health. Some people might not realize this about my channel, and yes, you'd be right if you said, Stuart, do you love these drones? And I truly do love sharing this message of FPV and changing people's lives. But it is that last bit. It is changing people's lives and just the positive impact that drones can have that I'm really passionate about. And that's why I want to get so many people flying. And mental health is such a topic for me that I truly believe in. I suffered, and I still do suffer from, mental health things that I'd like to change, but I was in a really dark spot in the past. And it's only drones that have helped me get through that, and talking to people and just trying to focus on those things. That's the message I want to share with people. And I know mental health has a big root in our hobby. There's a lot of people who talk about it. So the other part of this video I want to mention as well, and it's been a long time coming, and I've had so many people emailing me and asking me about it, and on the Discord and things like that. Yes, the live streams are coming back, but I'm not going to be calling them the FPV show. This is like the official announcement, I should say as well, on the back half of this video. I'm going to be calling it Happy Flying, so you can tune into that. There should be a little link. The first one is coming up in a couple of days. I think it's Sunday in the US, or it's going to be Monday morning here, because that's the time that's going to work best for me. And we're going to be doing some really cool stuff. I have one of the biggest projects I have ever worked on. I'm going to be announcing on that stream. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about mental health. We've got some really fun things. We've got some pilot histories and some things I cannot wait to show you. So also, if you are keen in FPV, definitely hit that notification, because that stream's coming out. It's going to be a whole bunch of fun. It's on Sunday night, and if you're in the US, and I can't wait to stream that with you. But overall, thumbs up. This is such a positive day. It was great to wake up, see that message from Justin Davis and Drone Camps, and just sort of squashing some of those and apologizing to Bot Grinder and Bardwell. So thumbs up. I can't wait to see the future of this hobby. It's always inspiring, and as always, happy flying. Like literally, happy flying. Click that button for that stream notification.